Hey friends, if you wish to manage notifications on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Notifications. Okay, now expand the list for notifications. If you want notifications to play sounds, you can check that, but I would hate that. But I'll tell you about it later. If you wish to show notifications on the lock screen, you can check this option, but remember that that will be an invasion into your privacy. And show reminders for incoming voice calls on VoIP calls on the lock screen. You can choose this one as well. Personally, I switch all notifications. They're very irritating. And the second I switch it off, it gets switched off for each and every single app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.